We just finished here in the British Museum the show in the festival Face Tune. We dance Khaita dances with the collaboration of Tibetan dancers from the local Tibetan community of here London. Well, a bit of Khaita, it's a project that the professor Namkhai started in 2011. It's a collection of Tibetan songs and dances that one part it's working with traditional movements, other part it's going into dances that the practitioners, the members of the community made. These dances we dance all around the world. There are no limits of age, race, anything. Today we are really happy because this show is the first time that we are really collaborating with the Tibetan community and Tibetan dancers.
la kambana la choseyo Sika kushuda hyoe maya jiso yari no Kuyu son ke melani so Chahilum bipu la na la choseyo Chahilum bipu la na la choseyo
Today, this early afternoon, we have brought the message from Tibet to the British Museum. The core of this message is peace of the world and joy, being together, enjoying together. So this is something that we always try to share, even if we dance in a small circle of people. And there is equality arising from this practice, from this dance, that we can profit as an individual, but also as a group, and in the end as a society. So this is a little idea about the principle of evolution that is brought with Khaita, with the Tibetan joyful dances.
Emajiso lana yepi ashikada de yalla so emajiso tinche pama pinche yong la tu alabata hai emajiso yela japi chuja dangzi de yalla so emajiso ngai tu polinge yong la tu alabata hai Sirkini mashar song gawe luya lesho Tumki dawa kar song ki pekala rosho Sirkini mashar song gawe luya lesho Tumki dawa kar song ki pekala rosho Kora yun ko yela ale sum shikyab shofo lesi malachi Kora yun ko yela ale sum shikyab shofo lesi malani
Hi. We just finished our show in British Museum. I'm so delighted and happy to be part of this song and dance because it's inspired me to be in how to say it's through music we bring all together, and through music we can do a lot of things. This is fantastic. I really enjoyed. This is my first time ever.
Hello, I'm Tashi the Lake. My name is Tenzin. I'm really thankful for Khaita dance group from all the Tibetan community and me and my colleague, and we really enjoy dancing with them. Yeah, in the future, and I would really like to collaborate with them. Hopefully, they also like me to join with them.